What's the meaning of absolutely? Absolutely. 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 The word absolutely can be used in a variety of ways, but it generally means completely or totally. It can be used to express certainty, agreement, or emphasis. For example, you might say, I absolutely love chocolate, to express your strong love of chocolate. Or, you might say, I absolutely agree with you, to show that you agree with someone's opinion. In some cases, absolutely can also be used to express surprise or disbelief. For example, you might say, absolutely not, to express your refusal to do something. Here are some examples of how absolutely can be used in a sentence. I absolutely love chocolate. I absolutely agree with you. That is absolutely ridiculous. I absolutely refuse to do that. You are absolutely right. I hope this helps.